Hey guys, so today we have a 2018 Nissan Kicks that has an issue with the volume knob. I'm going to show you real quick. So if I were to lower the volume, see how it flickers. See how it goes all over the place, and actually just trying to lower the volume, not go up. Say 0, 1. And the only workaround I've found so far was to use actually the volume up and down on the steering wheel, which works just fine. So that's me pressing the plus and minus on the steering wheel for the volume. But of course with the knob, it doesn't do that, as you can see. So I've been having this issue for a good while. Dealership never figured out what the issue was. They basically wanted to replace the entire stereo, and it was going to take a couple weeks and everything. And I got pretty much fed up with them because it was a constant going to the dealership, dropping off the car, and them not finding anything, returning it, and blah blah blah. So I did some research online and actually stumbled upon a forum which kind of explained the similar issue. And they share a video that's for an Altima, but basically had the same issue with the knob, with the volume goes up and it bounces all over the place with the volume. So the fix that we're talking about was to basically remove the volume knob, and then to squirt some WD-40 in there, just a little bit. Shake it a little bit. Let's put the knob back a little bit. We're just gonna Alright, we're gonna go for round 2. Let me shut down the car. Gonna remove that. Good old WD-40 in there. I'm just gonna clean up a little bit. I went a little bit overboard with the WD-40. Oh, would you look at that? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, and we go back. Would you look at that? Some WD-40 did the trick. Now, the video I saw did the same trick. They didn't mention if it's gonna last or whatnot, but I mean, this is a pretty much easy fix. Hopefully it stays that way. There might be some static or something in the back that was triggering it to go all over the place, but seems to be good now. No static or anything. So we'll see how long it lasts.